Did you know that combining certain superfoods can multiply their benefits by as much as 200%? That's right. Mixing the right superfoods can unlock hidden health boosts that you won't get from eating them alone. Curious to know what these magical combinations are? Let's dive into some of the wildest superfood combos you need to try. Imagine this. You're eating all the superfoods you can think of. Spinach, avocados, dark chocolate. But what if I told you that you're missing out on massive benefits by not pairing them up the right way? Did you know that combining certain superfoods can unlock their hidden potential by up to 2,000%? That's right. Today, I'm about to blow your mind with some of the most powerful and unexpected superfood combinations that you need to try. Superfoods. We hear the term all the time, but what actually makes a food super? It's all about the nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that make these foods nutrition powerhouses. From boosting energy levels to enhancing brain function and even slowing down aging, superfoods are like nature's medicine cabinet. But here's something most people don't know. Pairing certain superfoods together can enhance their benefits dramatically. Imagine doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling the health boost you get from your food. And the best part? These combos aren't just good for you. They taste amazing too. In this video, we'll reveal some surprising food duos that you can easily start incorporating into your meals. Buckle up. It's time to supercharge your diet. Let's kick things off with a classic duo you've probably heard of, turmeric and black pepper. We all know turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called curcumin. But here's the catch. Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by our bodies. In fact, we only absorb a tiny fraction of it when eaten by itself. Here's where black pepper steps in. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that boosts the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. That's right, just a tiny pinch of black pepper can turn your turmeric into a powerhouse of inflammation-fighting magic. Add this combo to your morning tea, smoothies, or curries to give your body a massive boost. Now, onto the second pair, spinach and citrus. Spinach is rich in iron, especially the kind called non-heme iron, which is hard for your body to absorb. It's a problem that's left millions of people iron deficient, feeling tired and sluggish. But guess what? Vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits can increase iron absorption by up to 67%. So that spinach salad you love? Throw some orange slices on top or drizzle lemon juice over it, and suddenly you're getting way more out of every bite. This combo is a game changer for anyone feeling tired or struggling with low energy. It's super simple, but the impact is huge. And finally, let's talk about one of the best flavor combos ever, avocado and tomato. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant known for its role in fighting heart disease and certain cancers. But there's a catch. Lycopene is fat-soluble, meaning it needs fat to be absorbed effectively. Enter avocado. This creamy fruit provides the healthy fats you need to absorb up to 4 times more lycopene from your tomatoes. Whether you're making guacamole, avocado toast with cherry tomatoes, or just tossing them together in a salad, this combo is perfect for heart health, skin health, and even your brain. Imagine upgrading your meals without adding anything extra, just pairing them right. Now, let's talk about a superfood combo that sounds almost too good to be true. Dark chocolate and green tea. I know what you're thinking. How could these indulgent foods actually be good for you? Well, it turns out that both dark chocolate and green tea are loaded with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and catechins, which are key to improving heart health, boosting brain function, and even fighting aging. But the magic happens when you combine them. Studies have shown that consuming dark chocolate with green tea can amplify their antioxidant power, creating a synergistic effect that helps fight inflammation, improve circulation, and even enhance focus and mood. Picture this. You're enjoying a piece of rich dark chocolate alongside your afternoon green tea, and without realizing it, you're giving your heart and brain an incredible health boost. It's indulgent and healthy, all in one bite. So now that you've learned about these incredible combos, how can you actually fit them into your daily routine without breaking the bank or spending hours in the kitchen? Don't worry, I've got you covered. For turmeric and black pepper, try adding a dash of both to your morning smoothie or coffee. Golden lattes are trendy for a reason. You can also sprinkle it over your roasted veggies or stir it into soups and stews. Super easy, and you're hitting that 2,000% absorption boost. For spinach and citrus, a spinach salad with orange slices or a lemon vinaigrette is a perfect lunch option. You can even blend them into a smoothie for an easy, iron-rich breakfast. The avocado and tomato combo is just as versatile. Make avocado toast with tomato slices for breakfast, or add both to your next sandwich or salad for an extra heart-healthy punch. And lastly, the dark chocolate and green tea combo? Make it your afternoon ritual. A square of dark chocolate with a cup of green tea, perfect for a midday treat that supports your brain and heart. Let's recap the wild superfood combos that can transform your health. Turmeric and black pepper. Supercharge your anti-inflammatory game. Spinach and citrus. Get the most out of your iron for more energy. Avocado and tomato. Support your heart health with healthy fats and antioxidants. Dark chocolate and green tea. Enjoy a delicious, brain-boosting combo that fights inflammation. These combos are easy to add to your meals and can make a noticeable difference in your energy, mood, and overall health. Just a few simple tweaks can unlock a whole new level of nutrition without sacrificing flavor or fun. So, which of these superfood combos are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health hacks and wellness tips. We've got a lot more coming your way. Let's keep leveling up together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.